How to change the screensaver on Android. This tutorial walks you through switching to a different screensaver option on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Display. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Screensaver. Right here, you'll see all the available screensaver options. Colors displays moving color gradients across your screen, Android shows an animated wallpaper, and Photos cycles through images from your gallery. Moving on, tap on whichever option you want to switch to. From here, tap Preview to see how it looks on your screen before committing to it. At this point, if you selected Photos, you'll need to choose a folder from your gallery to pull the images from. Following this, tap anywhere to exit the preview once you're happy with how it looks. Once done, go back to the main screensaver page and make sure your newly selected screensaver is checked. Finally, tap the back button to exit settings and your screensaver will be updated automatically. And that's it! If this guide helped you change the screensaver on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest uploads. See you in the next one!